Andy, how are we doing?
Yeah, we're okay. So we're in the Golf. We're off to see Kaz at Surrey Auto Works, and we've got the Golf booked in for its MOT. So he's going to take care of that little bit of welding we found, and fingers crossed we'll be back on the road again in no time. Hi everyone, just interrupting the video quickly to say please like and subscribe. We're working really hard to produce some great content for you, and we'd love you to see it first. So you know what to do. Press the buttons. Okay. Here we are. Surrey Auto Works.
Hello guys.
How you doing, Kaz?
Oh yeah.
Hello mate, how's things?
Hello, yes, all good. All
We've
good.
brought a Golf to see you
Lovely.
for MOT and a little bit of remedial welding.
Yeah, I'm sure we can take care of that, not a problem at all.
Wonderful. We've not cleaned her.
We get all the best jobs.
Yeah, maybe when she's finished, then she might get a little
She
bit
deserves a bath.
Well, she'll get
half a bucket.
some love while she's with us anyway, definitely.
Perfect.
Yeah, we'll get it in the garage, have a look around it, and let you know what we need to do.
Cool, cool. While we're here, can we have a quick nose?
Yeah, let's go have a look.
Cool.
So this is us. We take on pretty much anything. We are passionate about our Volkswagens, hence we deal with you guys.
Yeah.
But we've got things like this AC in at the minute for
That's
a
nice, right?
service. We've got a 993 Porsche in that's just been in the garage for 20 years and we need to get that up and running. Okay. Nice little MG come in today for a service. Guys are just checking it over at the minute. The beach buggy build. By the time this goes out, this should be all done.
And you're hoping to have driven it to Newquay as well?
Fingers crossed we'll be driving it to Newquay. We'll see. We've got, 9 days to go, guys. So, yeah, let's see how we get on with that.
What colour is it?
It's a rail colour, actually. We just chose it to go with something else we're doing, but that will all become apparent when it's all done, yeah.
Is it your Smurf outfit that you're going to wear when you're driving it?
That's it. Another beach buggy that we will be building, the Mark 1 Golf that we've been working with you guys on up there. So yeah, that's just come out of the back room where the beach buggy that we're building at the minute is.
Look at that.
Sponsoring, supporting all your bits and pieces that we've been bolting onto this to get it all done in time.
So this is 1.8 turbo.
1.8 turbo, yep. With a Kennedy adapter as well, so it bolts straight onto the gearbox.
Yeah.
Cool. The framework's all been customised as well to support the engine, etc. We're going to put the radiator on the back as well.
Yeah.
So it's going to be rad intercooler and...
Yep, rad intercooler all mounted up onto the back of that. Yep.
A bit sort of bar looking.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
Fans on the outside.
Yeah, and we've got the big aerial coming off of it as well. And then we've got a big wing spoiler going on the back, and even a surfboard on the top.
Very cool. That's going to look brilliant.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, I was casting my eyes over to see some of the bits we've got. You see the coupler down there?
Yeah, a couple of new brake kit for the front.
Yeah.
So we've gone for a disc conversion as well to go with the extra brake horsepower.
Yeah.
Hopefully we can
spaces out for that. And
yes,
make that look nice.
Need some spaces so we can fit our wide wheels that we've got going on.
Brilliant. How did you find the MP kit?
Very good, very good. Fitted really easy. The easy conversion basically.
That's it. What's the sort of ratio you're going with the wheels and tyres and?
So at the front, it's actually got some random wheels on the front of this. So this is some 13-inch dishes with the wide 5 hubs that have been, the centres that have been welded in, and they've been reversed as well to make them wider. And then on the back, we've got some dishes that have been made. So these are 10-inch and the front ones are 8-inch wide. But yeah, proper retro style.
Yeah, brilliant.
Should look really cool.
Big rake.
Yeah, definitely.
Even with the weight
Definitely.
Again, that's still going to look good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Do you reckon it'll wheel it?
Oh, wheelie. Yeah, we'll make it wheelie. Definitely. We're known for that with Sid the Kid, so yeah, got to do it with this.
Absolutely. So what's next? So I think you're saying powder coat and...
Yeah, so next we need to dismantle this and put the body on so we can double check everything with the fitment, because this section at the back actually comes off. It bolts onto the engine and that will come off. So we could break it down so we can get it powder coated as well, because you can only get so much in the powder coating room. And then yeah, this is all going white. We've got to put some brackets on here for the radiator like we just mentioned, and just check that everything fits around it. Yeah, that's pretty much it.
Fantastic. Looking forward to driving it?
I'm a bit nervous, I'm not going to lie. It's going to be a lot of
Not
power.
very much weight.
Yeah, exactly. We've got a little bit of a map going on the ECU for this as well, so yeah, it should smooth it out a little bit. It should give us a little bit more oomph, but not too much. I don't think we're going to need it. The power to weight ratio, we're talking, you know, over 150 brake horsepower on that engine.
What's the gearbox going to be like with it?
So apparently it's going to be okay, but we don't know at the minute. It could be
Until you drive it, yeah.
Yeah, we don't know at the minute. I have got another option for a gearbox, worse way. But yeah, we're going to see how this pans out first and go from there. It may be
I guess big wheels should help.
Yeah, that's it. That's why we've gone for a big tyre as well. So we've got all our tyres from Northants, and they've actually got a second set of bigger tyres in stock for us if we need them, just to give us a better gear ratio with what we've got going on there. That's one option. It's an easy option. Rather than changing the gearbox, we can set a bigger set of wheels on the back.
Yeah, definitely. So you're a bit like us with seeing things on Facebook Marketplace and going, that's a really good idea.
This is it.
How did it sort of come about?
So this one come about because we were building the other beach buggy and I needed some parts, and then all of a sudden on a Sunday, looking on Facebook Marketplace, this came up. Contacted the lady. She'd been inundated on, you know, how much are the wheels? Will you sell just the floor pan? Blah blah blah. I contacted her, said, look, we're going to build this. We're going to take it to Run to the Sun, and we're going to do it in 4 weeks. And she said, you've got it. It's yours.
Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. So unlike most of us that sort of then go and show a partner or go and have a little sleep on it, you just kind of went,
yeah,
I think I need that.
Yeah, I need it. And there was no time to waste. We didn't even have a trailer, so we wedged this all in the back of a van. My dad came with me for moral support, and just like, oh my God, what's my son got into now? And the rest is history.
Been enjoying watching your YouTube.
That's it.
Seeing you squeezing everything into the back of that van. That was fantastic.
I'm sure we've got far more exciting adventures with this beach buggy to come, that's for sure.
Definitely. We look forward to joining you on a few of them.
Yeah.
Yeah, good to see it in the flesh.
Yeah, definitely.
This is getting exhausting. If you've not done it yet, like and subscribe, please. Like and subscribe. We're working really hard to make some great content, and we'd love you to see it first. So press the button, ring the bell. Cheers.